Hey everybody, it's Hussein Kabani, your favorite broker. Welcome to 336 Shipway in Clarington. We're actually at the Port of Newcastle. We've got a very rare 5-bedroom detached double car garage home, 3,400 square feet plus an unfinished basement, ready for you to finish. Why don't you guys go in and take a look, and I'll see you at the end of the tour. Hope you guys enjoyed the tour of this property. Again, this is a very exclusive community at the Port of Newcastle, a very rare 5-bedroom home in this community. If you guys want to see this house in person, I'd be more than happy to show it to you. My contact information is going to be on the screen, and this is where I need your help. I need you guys to like this video, share it with your friends, leave your comments below because I would love to hear what you guys think about it. And until next time, guys, remember one thing, get Kabani, get sold.